What's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, bikers and dreamers? Welcome back to my channel. This is your host Dennis, and you're watching Moto Vlogs. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my EJEAS Q8 intercom system. This is a mesh intercom system, not a Bluetooth intercom system. So I've seen some reviews on YouTube. I've got my hands on these, so I'll quickly do the unboxing and show you and give you my personal opinion. I'll probably show you how to mount it on the helmet as well. I'll give you a review about how does it sound. Now I have got two of these, so I've got it in a pair, and I've got it from this website called helmetracing.in. So their base is in Rajasthan, if I'm not mistaken. I ordered it from their website. I got in touch with the person in charge over there. He called me up. His name is, I think so, Naveen, and he was quite helpful. I got some information from him and I ordered it online. Comment down below if you want to know how much I paid for a set of two of these. And this is a mesh intercom system and not a Bluetooth intercom system. So the difference between a Bluetooth and a mesh intercom system is that a Bluetooth can only be paired. You can pair multiple Bluetooths, but you can only communicate with one person when you connect the Bluetooths. But with the mesh intercom system, you can connect with multiple systems and you can talk to multiple people at the same time. And hence I chose the EJEAS Q8 intercom system. So I got one for myself and one for my brother. We always wanted an intercom system because when you're riding, it's very helpful to communicate, because what happens sometimes is that due to some or the other reason, if my brother goes ahead and if he misses out on me, or if I am left behind, then the intercom system comes really handy. So we quickly do the unboxing and I'll show you what all comes in the box. Probably I'll show you how to mount it on the helmet and as well, and what is the sound quality that you get from this intercom system. So let's get this video started. All right, so this is the EJEAS Q8 intercom system that I'm going to be installing on my brother's helmet. This is the SMK. So I'm going to quickly unbox and show you what all comes in this box. So first you'll get all these manuals. You can read it in your spare time. Then finally you get the main system. This is the intercom system. The build quality is pretty good. There's a little bit of weight to it, and there is also this antenna that you get. So for better range, you can put this on. So that's that. And you get these headphones and mic in this. So basically you get the charging cable for your intercom system. You'll get this microphone also. You have a boom mic in this as well, which you can connect, but I'm going to be connecting this mic. This is the connector. I'll just pull this off and I will connect this microphone to it. So you just press it like this and this is ready. You get this clip-on thing that you are supposed to put on the helmet over here, and your intercom system will go in like this. So it will come something like this over here. All right, so now I'm just going to remove the cushion of the helmet. These are the Velcro pads that you will have to install it inside the helmet. So you get 4 of these Velcro pads. So I'll quickly show you first. So we'll remove this pads over here. So if you can see, so this one goes off from here, pull this off. So now if the helmet is facing this, I'll keep it on this side so that I'll know that this pad is for this side of the helmet. And then you pull this off. And you keep this one on this side. Then you remove this side of the cushion and now you're good to go. So if you can see over here, they have already given a space to connect your headphones. The quality of this is pretty good. Looks like a JBL headphone kind of a thing. So there is a space where you can attach. And this Velcro will fit over here. I'll just quickly remove this. And this is quite tedious. I took a lot of time to remove this thing from my helmet. So this is the thing that I'm going to paste over here in this. Pasting this on this side of the helmet. So this has the Velcro attachment. So if I put this over here, it will stick to this. This is a little bit tough to add in. Okay, so once that goes in like this, so your system will come over here. So it will fit in like this. Now you have the connectors over here. So first I'm going to connect this, the USB-C, to check. So this one goes over here. This is what connects your headphones and your microphone. So the shorter side of the cable, the shorter side of the headphone will go over here. So there you go. I just press this over here. Then this one will go over here. And now for the microphone. So this one, I'll paste it over here. And there's Velcro over here as well. This goes over here. All right, there you go. That's done. Now time to connect this back again. Press this over here. Press this over here. And now it's time to connect the pads. So I've got the left hand side done. I'm going to put this cushion over here. So this goes through this. So I think I finally got this one also. There you go. So it's finally connected now. So that's connected. Now kind of switch it on. Let's connect your Bluetooth to this. So you have to keep it continuously pressed. Now you will see this red and blue light blinking.
Q8, I see.
Yeah. So when it's Q8, once you do that, it will ask you to pair it.
Yeah, pairing.
Yeah. So just pair it. You
Pair.
can show the camera also.
Pair.
So it's paired.
Yes.
Okay. Now if you can turn on any of your Spotify music or anything,
Yeah.
it will make you hear the sound quality of this also.
Okay, let me wear the helmet.
No, just make it will. You can hear the sound. So if you can just put the music on and we'll see. So this has volume rocker button also. You can increase the volume, reduce the volume. Did you play any song? Are you playing it? So this is good enough. That much sound is good enough. When you're wearing the helmet, you don't want it too loud also, which will disturb you. Just wear it. Yeah, just wear and see. I want you to hear the sound quality, how it is. Can you hear the sound? It's quite loud enough, right? If you increase the volume, how does it sound? It's good enough? It's clear? Now maybe we can call up, if you can call up, and if you can see if you can answer the call. So maybe yeah, you can come over and tell how the sound quality. Just answer. Now you can talk and see if it is clear, Che. Just check if it is clear.
I can do. Yeah, I can hear you very clearly. You are
So-
very clear.
So this is helpful when you're riding the bike and you get a call and you don't want to stop your bike, remove your helmet. Then you can directly answer the call with the helmet on. So guys, that's it from us, and we will show you by connecting the two intercom systems also. If it is good, we will give you the review. If it is not, we will still give you the review, and we will be connecting the intercom system and giving you a proper feedback. So guys, that's it from me. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified for all my future videos.